Hey YouTube, I'm Jason, and today I'm back in Japan. Now, this video is sponsored by TBC Car Rentals in Tokyo. Special thanks to Mori and Ken for making this all possible. Mori reached out to me and pretty much lent me this awesome hybrid Lexus here in Tokyo so I can go around and explore the car culture here in Japan. Now, if you're interested in renting out a car in Japan, please check out their website, TBC Car Rentals in Tokyo. TBC Rental headquarters is 2 kilometers southwest from the Tokyo Skytree. It's a very small office. They distribute their rental cars here, but they heavily rely on reservations. It's not like other rental car offices where they have an open space to walk around and select cars in an open lot. Like I said, it's a very small office, so with reservations, they'll have your vehicle ready when you arrive. Speaking of arrivals, I really appreciated their pickup service from Narita Airport. It was quick, easy, and stress-free. Before I flew out, we coordinated a pickup time. They picked me up from the airport, set me up with a car, and I was driving around Tokyo in no time. The process was really simple, easy, and I would definitely do it again. If you're traveling in a large group, this rental service is for you. They have a large selection of passenger vehicles. They also have a handful of sports cars for smaller groups. On the website, you'll find something that fits your travel plans. Just make sure you reserve the vehicle that works for you. Driving the hybrid Lexus SUV around Tokyo was very comfortable. It had a lot of amenities that made it luxurious. If you're wondering what you need to set yourself up to drive, watch my other video on how to rent a car in Japan. Because the weather cleared up and it's not raining anymore, let's head over to Daikoku PA. Again, this video is sponsored by TBC. Thank you Mori and Ken. I hope this information helps you with your travels to Japan. Now let's walk around the famous Daikoku PA.